Hello, everyone, and welcome back. When we think about workplace safety, offices are probably not the first places that come to mind. Most people associate safety signs with factories, warehouses, or construction sites. However, offices also face safety risks such as fires, electrical hazards, slips and falls, medical emergencies, and building evacuations. This is why safety signs are an important part of every office environment. One of the most widely recognized standards for safety signs is ISO 7010, which uses universal symbols that can be understood by people from different languages and backgrounds. In today's video, we will explore how ISO 7010 safety signs help keep offices safe, organized, and prepared for emergencies. Now, why office safety signs matter? An office may seem like a low-risk workplace, but accidents and emergencies can happen anywhere. Employees, visitors, clients, and contractors all move through the workplace every day. During an emergency, people need clear directions and quick access to important information. ISO 7010 safety signs provide this guidance instantly. Instead of reading long instructions, people can recognize a symbol and understand what action to take. These signs help reduce confusion, improve awareness, and ensure that everyone knows how to stay safe while in the office. Now we have emergency exit signs. Save valuable time. One of the most important ISO 7010 signs found in offices is the emergency exit sign. These green signs show people the safest route to leave the building during emergencies such as fires, power failures, or other dangerous situations. In an emergency, people can become stressed and disoriented. Clear exit signs help them quickly identify escape routes and evacuation paths. This not only speeds up evacuation but can also save lives when every second matters. Then we have fire safety signs, help people respond quickly. Every office contains potential fire hazards, including computers, printers, electrical equipment, charging stations, and kitchen appliances. ISO 7010 fire safety signs help employees quickly locate fire extinguishers, fire alarms, and other firefighting equipment. These signs are designed to be highly visible so that people can find emergency equipment without wasting time. By helping employees react quickly and confidently, fire safety signs play a major role in reducing the impact of workplace fires. Now, first aid signs support emergency care. Medical emergencies can happen unexpectedly, even in office environments. An employee may become ill, suffer a minor injury, or require immediate assistance. ISO 7010 first aid signs help people quickly locate first aid kits, medical rooms, and emergency healthcare facilities within the workplace. These signs provide reassurance that help is available and make it easier for employees to respond effectively during medical situations. Now, warning signs highlight potential hazards. Although offices may not contain heavy machinery, they still have hazards that need attention. Warning signs help alert people to risks such as slippery floors, electrical dangers, low ceilings, automatic doors, or restricted technical areas. These signs encourage employees and visitors to stay alert and take precautions before entering potentially hazardous areas. Often, a simple warning sign can prevent an accident before it happens. Then we have prohibition signs, prevent unsafe behavior. Some activities can increase workplace risk and should be avoided. ISO 7010 prohibition signs clearly communicate actions that are not allowed. Examples include no smoking, no unauthorized entry, and do not use lift in case of fire. These signs help maintain order and safety by preventing behaviors that could endanger employees, visitors, or the workplace itself. Their simple and recognizable design makes them easy to understand at a glance. Now, a universal language everyone understands. One of the greatest strengths of ISO 7010 is that it uses internationally recognized symbols instead of relying only on text. Modern offices often employ people from different regions and countries, and visitors may speak different languages. Because the symbols are standardized, everyone can understand the safety message regardless of their language. This improves communication and ensures that important safety information is accessible to everyone in the workplace. Now, ISO 7010 safety signs may seem simple, but they play a critical role in office safety. They guide people during emergencies, help prevent accidents, support medical response, and improve overall awareness throughout the workplace. By providing clear and consistent communication, these signs help protect employees, visitors, and organizations alike. In today's fast-paced work environment, even a small safety sign can make a big difference. So the next time you walk through an office, take a moment to notice the safety signs around you. They are there for a reason, to guide, protect, and support everyone in the building. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on workplace safety, ISO standards, and creating safer work environments. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.